This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Wiper blade renewal. Raise the wiper arm from the windscreen and, holding it securely, depress the plastic clip and slide the blade from the hook on the end of the arm. Fit the new blade in the reverse order, making sure it is the right way round and that it clicks into place over the arm hook. Most aftermarket wiper blades come with a variety of adapters to suit different vehicles. With the new blade fitted, return the arm to the windscreen and check its operation.